Hello. Today I'm just doing this audio so that you can see what the financing might look like using a rural development loan. In this scenario, I've assumed that we negotiate for the seller to pay 4% towards closing. The purchase price is $150. There's no down payment, so you'd finance $150, except that RD has this upfront fee that can either be paid in cash or rolled into the loan. So I assume that we rolled into the loan. So our loan is actually higher than the sale price. The monthly payment is based on today's rate of 3 1/4. It's a 30-year loan, so the amount needed to repay the mortgage is $670.76. The taxes for this house are $25.20, so you pay 1/12 every month. $210. You're going to buy insurance wherever you want. I'm assuming that you pay $840. $840 divided by 12 is $70. And then the mortgage insurance is 0.5% of the loan divided by 12. The total payment is $1,014. Cash to close. There's no down payment. The closing costs are $5,100, and they're itemized below. We'll go through them. The prepaid expenses are $2,600. We'll go through those also. So the total needed is $77.69. Because I assume that we'd get the seller to pay 4%, 4% of $150,000 is $6,000. You'd only need to come up with $17.69. First, you have to give a deposit with your offer. Then you have to pay for appraisal and home inspection. So in this case, you'd actually receive a small amount of cash back at closing. Here we can see the itemization from up here. The $5,100 is this total, $5,100. So it's the appraisal, the credit report, the transfer tax, a fee for a tax credit, which is actually optional, but it's very cool. It's an annual tax credit. Lender's title insurance, origination fee, flood cert, owner's title insurance, recording attorney, and home inspection. And then your prepaid expenses are taxes, insurance, and interest. So this total here came up to here, that total there came up to there. So this $17.69 represents the total amount you'd need if the seller paid $6,000. If the seller paid $0, you'd need $77.69. Just to point out that this is not a loan estimate. This is for illustration purposes only. It's not an offer to extend credit. Underwriting approval is required. These loans are sensitive to credit scores, but I just wanted to provide you some basic information. Alright, basic information, people. Why is my thing not going?